Hi, my name is Saiko. I'm hosting some friends tomorrow for happy hour, and one is vegan, the other one's vegetarian. So I've been brainstorming some yummy recipes that I'm sure they would like.
Mark's making a mess.
Just threw it in their bowl.
Oh, Jesus.
Just wash it off and throw it in their bowl. What is it about?
No, you did that.
Acorn squash roasted in the oven with delicious basmati rice, which is a very yummy Persian rice. Bake them whole first so the skin will soften and it will be a lot easier to cut them later. "20 minutes. 1-inch wedges in the oven again so they finish roasting. So I'm gonna drizzle them with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, sea salt, black pepper, medium high my pot. We're gonna need a little bit of onions. I have about 2.5 cups of basmati rice uncooked. I rinsed it several times and drained that water, and then I'm soaking it with new water for about more than 30 minutes. And I'm going to drain it. I have 1/4 cup of very hot water, and I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of saffron. The peel of an orange. This rice sometimes is called wedding rice or jewel rice. 2 tablespoons of virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons of butter, because I found out that my friend is not vegan, she's just gluten-free. And I'm gonna add my onions. When the onions are translucent, I'm going to add my rinsed rice. 2 cups of chicken stock. If you don't have chicken stock, you can use Knorr. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon. Before the rice starts to get toasty, I'm going to add my orange peel. I'm going to add my saffron and my 2 cups of chicken stock. And I'm going to let this come to a boil. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt, some freshly ground pepper, temperature to low, and cook the rice for 8 minutes. Remove the lid, cover my rice, put the lid again. All right, so here we go. And turn off the heat. Moved it away from the heat, and I'm going to let it rest for about 15 minutes at least. No peeking, okay? Covering the rice like this, it absorbs all the moisture so that it's not mushy. My neighbor Nasi taught me a long time ago. She's from Persia, and she told me how to do this wonderful wedding rice. I'm adding other ingredients to my already cooked rice, like almonds, and set them aside. Barberries. 1/3 cup of your barberries. About a teaspoon of sugar. Place my barberries here. Good. We start to fluff it from the bottom. A tablespoon of dried dill, almonds, and the barberries.